This is the other elevator here at the Meadowlands Racetrack in East Rutherford, New Jersey, the Schindler 400 AE. And here it is.
Just checking out the elevator.
Okay.
This unfortunately doubles as a service elevator to 3,500 pound capacity. We're going to get a better view. It's just your basic service / passenger. This does double as a service elevator.
I'll go down first. I'm in no rush.
Well, it depends on the elevator. Let's see what
We missed the elevator twice standing there.
Oh, my God. Wow.
That's crazy.
What are you filming?
Yeah, I just have an interest in elevators. I'll let you guys go down first.
Oh, they went. They're good.
Yeah, unless you guys needed the roof.
No, we're good.
All right. We'll wait to go back down. Get a view actually. So this is the cab itself. It's just a typical 480 AE. Thank God. I'm happy they made this thing traction though. I am. I really wonder what American Dream's gonna have. Definitely not this. They're gonna all be freaking Kones and stuff. It's gonna take forever for this thing to come back up. Because again, this thing does double as a service elevator. So. Oh, and there's the looks like that's like the fire key or something, or probably just to lock it if you can come to this thing and lock it. There's a chime. It's a 3,500 pound capacity. No. This thing is quite busy, but I want to see if we can get one full ride going all the way. Plus, if you'd like to read that directory of buttons, it's a lot of buttons, but the highest floor here at the racetrack is the roof. So we are going to try and go back to the roof without picking up anybody. Here we go. And here we are back at the roof. So back down to T. Again, we'll get you another cab view. Again, just your basic, typical Schindler. Nothing exciting or fancy. I prefer the other elevator, but this thing is kind of cool because this thing does slightly go higher than the other one, which is nice. And here we go. Looks like we're needed. We've been summoned. So this is elevator number 2. Looks like we've been summoned. Not sure to where, but we'll find out in a minute. Oh, yeah, the clubhouse. I figured. See what happens.
Thank you.
Closed. Wait a minute. There we go. Wow, I think it's such a deal.